Your pum pum big like buckle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a whisper challenge featuring my boyfriend
Tyrone.
I think it is a
Oh, Ethan.
So let's get right into the video. No, I'll go first.
You wanna take the time out to explain to them what a whisper challenge is for anybody who didn't know?
Oh yes. So basically, a whisper challenge is a challenge. Babe, I have an idea. You tell them what is a whisper challenge.
A challenge where you guys use an earphone
Or AirPods. Because AirPods are
AirPods you can't use it for a special reason. You want something that is noise cancelling. The reason why I use earphones because they have the soft sponges that cover around your ears, so no audio can come into your ears. Even
so you're saying that
earpods are loud, but these are noise cancelling. You understand?
So what?
So the earpods you might hear a sound coming to you, but with the earphones you're not gonna hear nothing.
That happened.
You understand? So you want something with noise cancelling. Meanwhile, you play the sound, you're not gonna hear nothing. The only thing you're supposed to see is the person move and move. And you're gonna speak, meanwhile, the music is being played. Meanwhile, you can't hear what the person say, but it's almost like you're reading their lips to repeat what they're saying. So that's a whisper challenge.
Yeah, I knew that. That's
we
what I
know.
was going to say. But you didn't give me a chance. So I'll go first.
Take it away.
To the stuff.
Alright, good. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Are you hear me? No. Alright, ready now. Do you want to marry me? Do you want to marry me?
Do I eat from the pot?
Do you want to marry me?
Do you love me?
Do you want to marry me?
Do you want to mind me?
Yeah, I like to. Do you want to marry me?
Do
you want to marry me?
you? Do you?
Do you want to marry me?
Do you want to
marry me?
Marry me.
Okay. Make sure you're talking, okay? You can't whisper.
I want a break.
What?
I want a break.
Huh?
I want a break.
I will champion. What?
I want a break from you.
You want a break from me?
Yes. I feel like I did that ear. You did that ear. Let me hear it. Talk. Let me see. Talk. Oh. In the ear for sure. What with it?
Ready now? The Callaloo tasted bad.
Huh?
The Callaloo tasted bad.
Wait, one more time.
The Callaloo tasted bad. The Callaloo tasted bad.
What?
The Callaloo tasted bad.
The
Callaloo tasted bad.
oil is in the pan.
The Callaloo tasted bad. The Callaloo tasted bad.
Hallelujah.
The Callaloo tasted bad.
Hallelujah bad.
The Callaloo tasted bad.
The hallelujah.
The Callaloo tasted bad.
The callaloo.
Tasted bad.
The callaloo tastes bad.
Tasted bad. I was kidding though.
It did taste bad though to
It
me.
never tastes bad. How you see?
Squeeze it. Squeeze it down for your ears. Ready?
Jump out the shower.
Ready. Ready.
Sorry.
Come ready. Squeeze. Come
Yeah,
turn on.
there's something the easiest. I'm on
Me not feel
fire
like-
with real press.
Come on. I cheated on you.
I cheat on you. You know what is? I mean, just read it. I am what me read. Yeah, that was so, yeah. Hi,
You
cheetah.
never you do that ear.
I never did. You barely did attack. I know say I don't like that. Too. Hi, cheetah. No. You cheated and I know it.
Breeze.
You cheated and I know it.
Freeze. Bees.
I'm ready. When are you going to fix up my hair?
When
Are you going to fix up my hair?
are you?
When are you going to fix up my hair? When are you going to fix up my hair?
When are you going to sleep?
When are you going to fix up my hair?
When are you?
Going to fix up my hair.
When are you going to fix up my ear? Fix up my ear.
Richer. Which move? I think I'm in love with someone else.
Oh, you get it! Bam!
You know if hot is part, I know I whisper, you whisper when you say.
Now it's...
I know when you whisper. See how you whisper, you go when you whisper. When you attack a taxi, yeah.
Because I pronounce them, because I have list down problems, so I try to pronounce my word them good as possible, because sometimes it messes the hell up. You are very boring in bed.
You are boring in bed.
Ma'am! You get them too easy! But you are. Yeah, ear. Yeah, no, that
Even though
cheat.
because it's shift off. And if I'm bored in bed, somebody else will like it.
Have fun, guys.
Eventually, somebody's gonna like
Have
it. A
fun.
little tree prick.
What is a tree prick?
3 centimeters prick.
Oh. Never did understand because 3 actually are 2, but oh well.
Exactly. Alright. Your pum pum big like buckle.
What?
Your pum pum big like buckle.
Buckle.
Your pum pum big like buckle.
Yup.
Yup. Your pum pum big like buckle. Your pum pum big like buckle.
You cuddle.
Your pum pum big like buckle.
You want to cuddle.
Your pum pum big like buckle.
You throw it in the bottle.
Your pum pum big like buckle.
Say it again.
Your pum pum big like buckle.
You pum pum. You pum pum. Your pum pum big like buckle. Thank you, babe. A small teeny bottle. Right?
If I said big like buckle, I use a small teeny buckle. That makes sense?
Small big bottle.
Okay.
You know the small less bottles that are the biggest one in it.
Okay.
Alright, ready? I am in love with your best friend.
I'm in love with your best
No!
friend.
Jesus! Yeah, cheat!
Oh.
But why can't I read yours?
Because I am not trying to pronounce the word by whispering it like what you are doing. Come, let's do the challenge.
Because no, I want to give you I want to give you a last one. Guys, because me have like bad list down, I always try to like pronounce the word them properly. Because if me like say next, it will just go like next. Alright, ready? The last one. And I mean this one. I mean it. Squeeze it down.
I'm the fool.
You see? No, just your cheeks. No, your cheeks. Baby, cheat.
Watch out. Do you see the song? Literally, babe, that song is not allowed. I be a rhythm, me
I feel like a cheat out that game here.
Babe, how if you cheat out the game?
But all I say and the fool.
You type in load this song on YouTube and you go play one rhythm.
I'm gonna do it in a patois. Me ready for you breed me.
You ready for me breed you?
Stop!
Me just say rhythm one good. Oh, I got them.
Squeeze it down.
Alright, watch out. May I show you this? Look at it.
You ready?
Yeah, you want me to win.
You ready?
So,
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
You ready?
For do it?
Huh?
For do it?
Huh?
For do it?
If I'm ready,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
For do it?
I'm ready. Wait, ask me something.
Yeah.
What you say?
You ready for breed me?
What?
You ready for breed me?
No, you're not asking no.
May I say something?
Ashi.
You ready for breed me?
Huh?
You ready for breed me?
If you're ready for breed you?
Yeah.
No.
You ready for breed me?
No. You ready for breed?
Yes! Yes!
You know what?
So that's the end of the whisper challenge, guys. Stay tuned for another video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and your families. And thanks for the support again. I appreciate it. Like, I really appreciate it. I feel like I always say this when the video finish.
Yeah, it's a good thing to say.
But yeah, I appreciate it. And in the comment section, you can suggest some videos that I can do, some other videos that I can do that you guys want to see. Other than and wait, if we're not gonna say cooking video, I suggest one I want me to cook, because people not stop attack me say rice and peas alone me can cook, which might be true. But yeah, still suggest some other videos. And thanks guys, thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, you can subscribe to his channel.
Razor Blade TV vlogs.
Okay, bye guys.